Good morning to all of the viewers. First of all, accept my heartiest gratification. I'm so ecstatic and full of gratitude to interact with you guys. Always thinking what I'm supposed to talk about today, and I decided to talk something spontaneously and some heartly conversation with you guys, and let's talk about God. What is God? God is omnipotent, omnipresent, and He's the creator of entire world and universe. So we can say that God stands for generator, G for generator, O for operator, and D for destroyer. So we must bow our head in front of the God. We must prostrate in front of Him. He's almighty, He's all-powerful, He's merciful for us, and He loves us too much. There are many people who are atheist, or pagan, or infidel, or rationalist, who are non-believer, and who are communist. So I think that their life is totally in a very big trauma. When they don't believe on the existence of God, suddenly they will be suffered from the tension, anxiety, depression, grief, sorrows, pain, torture, and some other things which might be very dangerous for them. And this disbelieving leads them towards mental diseases. But as far as the believer is concerned, he's always satisfied from his life, whether it's good or bad. Whether it's in trial, he will accept it. Whether it's in pain, he will also accept it. Whether something is going not in a proper way, so he will also satisfied, because he knows that ups and downs are the part of life, and God is always with him. The God is not leaving us. Maybe we are leaving God. Yeah, exactly. We leave God. Sometimes we go here and there and we just concentrate such damn things and we suffer a lot. Then we get some heartbreaks. When we don't get that satisfaction, so suddenly we come back to the God. So God loves us too much. There are many people who always criticize. They say that we don't have such things in our lives, and they are always counting such things which they don't have in their lives. But I just want to tell them that why are you not counting such things which you have already in your life? First of all, count your blessings, count your health. You have eyes, you have nose, you have lips, you can eat, you can see, you can walk, and you can do anything in this world. So it means this is the one of the biggest blessing of God, that you have the accurate body. You're not crippled, you're not handicapped, you're not disabled. So why are not counting your blessing? So I think these people are unthankful, and these ungrateful people, they're always ungrateful of God. They're always ungrateful of His blessings. So that's why their life is full of tension, anxiety, suffering, pain, and anguishment. They're jealous people. There are two types of souls in this world: thankful souls, and others are unthankful souls. Always be thankful to the God, whether you are in a good situation, whether you are in a bad situation, because God is always with you. God is our refuge. He never leaves us alone. He's always with us. Maybe your shadow will leave you, but God will never leave you. And He brings trials in our lives in order to make us solid, in order to make us strong, in order to make us wise. But that wisdom will be helpful for the rest part of the world as well. So I acknowledge the greatness of God, and sometimes we have to think that we are not in prison. If you are in prison, so you can understand what is the life of that particular person who is behind the wall for a long time. So check his life, check out his situation, that his life is just like a hell. But you're not in prison. We are free. Everywhere we can move, everywhere we can go. So think about a person that was in between life and death. He's being hospitalized and he is paralyzed and he cannot walk, nor he can move. So check his situation, and then you feel yourself that my life is having a lot of blessings. Check a person who is in a warlike situation, like there's a Syria, there's a Damascus, Palestine, Kashmir, different countries is suffered from the war, like Afghanistan. So check about their situation, that they are fighting for their freedom, but there's no freedom for them, and how easily you're spending your life. You have a lot of liberty. Your life is free. No one is just asking. You're not answerable to any question. You're living a free life. Why are you not counting these things? You have enough things to eat. You have enough things to drink. You have a good job. You have a house. You have a good livelihood. You have the good livinghood. And you can help to the people. You must count your blessings. There are many people that they have the scarcity of different things. They are not able to fulfill their fundamental requirements and needs of their life. Many people are jobless. Many people don't have the purchasing power for their family, for their loved ones. Many people are begging. But as far as we are concerned, we are lucky people, but we are considering ourselves unlucky. So try to understand the pain of others. You have many blessings in your life, but you are still unhappy. But see those people who are suffering from the poverty, from diseases, from different bad situations, but still they are thankful to the God. Still, they are remembering the God all the time. And they are the true people. Be merciful to the others. The God will be merciful to you. Love the humanity. Work something for the sake of humanity. Humanitarian causes are the great. Be a humanitarian person. I believe on humanism because we are human. And humanity is the best thing in this world. Do some charity, do some alms, do some philanthropical work for the others. I've seen a lot of people, they are having a very good life, but still they are not helping to the poor people. They're not helping those people who suffer from the poverty. So I think that we must be having the realization. Realize it, feel it, that if you are hungry from a couple of days, what will be your condition? So always be humanitarian for others. And never show off such things. I've seen many people, they are helping those people that who will advertise for them. Help those people to whom you don't know. And that's the true help. Don't do all work for the publicity. And be merciful. Wipe out the tears of others. Listen to sorrows, griefs, pain, hardship of others. Try to take them out from that. Give them moral support if you cannot give them money. But at least sit with them, listen their problems, give them solutions. If you solve other people's problem, your life will be never into the hardship. You'll be never have the obstacles in your life, because God will remove all the obstacles, because you are eliminating these kind of the obstacle from other people's life as well. So that's why I'm saying to you, be selfless. God is also selfless, and selflessly He's giving each and everything to us. And once you get the quality of selflessness, obviously that you will touch the quality of God, and God will always connect it with you. Give some placement of nature into your heart. Connect to the world, connect to the universe, connect to the people. Involve yourself into the spiritual work, into the spirituality. In the spiritual world, you will have a lot of miraculous events, and these will give you a lot of calmness. Your soul will be light. You'll get the light as well. You will not be overburdened. Helping hands are always great. Snatching hands are not good. Because if you're snatching other people's joy, other people's property, other people's good and stuff, anything which you will snatch from others, from the broken heart, from deserving persons, so you will be in a big torment. Your life will be full of hell, and people will make your life like a burning hell. Because God is never stand with the oppressor. God always stands for the innocent people. Our God is so powerful, so great, so merciful. I know people do perversion in your life. They disseminate you. They put the wrong allegations on you. They torture you. They persecute you. But don't worry, because one power is always with you. That's the power of God, which is ultimate power. And this power will ruin all of those who will come against you. So do something good. Do something better for the humanity. Though we say in dismay, we will end this life. What shall we do if death fails to bring respite? Never ever be fed up from your life, because miracle happens in this world, in this life. Don't become Pharaoh, don't become tyrant, don't become cruel, and never ever involve yourself into the wrong competition. Nowadays someone is famous, the people like someone, so people get hatred against him. They never acknowledge that person's goodness, but they will try to sabotage that person's goodwill by dual meaning words. But they're fool, they are ignorant, they don't know that you're 1,000 times ahead than them. And your this quietness is same like the quietness before the flood. It's a pre-planned conversation. Whatever came in my mind, I decided to share and talk with you. I hope many of things will touch your soul and heart, and act upon all such good things. Spread the love, spread the humanity, and do always good things. Do good, have good. And as you sow, so shall you reap. Karma never loses its address. And finally, I just wish you all of the best to every person in this world who is connected to the God, who is connected with the humanity, and is connected with the goodness. You're always in my prayers, and may God bless you. Take care. Bye.